How to get free shipping on Amazon. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can get free shipping on Amazon. First of all, you want to launch open the Amazon app on your device. If you do not have the Amazon app, you can install it from Play Store or App Store, or you can open up any web browser and head over to amazon.com. Now, log into your account by entering your credentials. After that, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top of your screen. Here, you want to scroll down a bit and then find the option of your Prime membership. Select that. Now, you want to select the option of Start your free 30 days trial. Then, follow the on-screen prompts to subscribe to Amazon Prime. After you have been subscribed, you will get free fast shipping plus other benefits like exclusive deals and TV shows. For 30 days, you can do this for absolutely free. Start enjoying the free shipping on eligible products with your Prime membership. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.